Hello everyone, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you how we can enable and what option is required to understand or use the web server. So first of all, I would like to explain you something that why we need the web server. Web server can be useful for the user defined web page. You can uh, use the user defined web page for the dashboard purpose. Then the here extended instruction like a recipe import export, this one, and for the data log file which is available in the form of CSV, okay, .csv file. You if you want to download the CSV file from the PLC load memory card, okay, and load memory, then web server is the only option. You can directly interact with the PLC. Okay, second thing, if you want to do the firmware update, if you want to flash the LEDs, you can do with the web server. So it is very important that how we can enable the web server. Okay, so for that you have to go here in the PLC hardware configuration, and here first of all you must know what is the IP address of your PLC. Okay, second thing, in the Profinet interface, here the web server access is available. This option must be ticked. It is saying that you are enabling this interface for the web server. Okay, so Profinet interface will be used for the web server interface. After that, you have to go here into web server detail menu, and you have to tick activate the web server on all module of this device, then permit the access only with the HTTPS if you want to use the HTTPS. Okay, here you are defining the automatic update. Okay, you can select 5 seconds also. Now here, this is the most important thing you are setting. So if you are setting very few menu to do with this, we can say with the PLC, with the web server, then you can select very few options. This is, you can see acknowledge alarm, change the system parameter, change application parameter. Okay, uh, if you have not selected this option, then this access level is minimum level. But if you can see, if I'm selecting this option, read write file, flash LEDs, and all these options, if I'm selected, then this access level is converted into the restricted access level. Okay, now here you can see, if I'm defining one name and select all of these options, then this option is converted into the administrative access level. And here I have defined password, so I will define password here. So let's say, okay, now you have to just compile it. So I compile it, and let's download it. Let's finish it. Okay, after that you have to open here Internet Explorer, and in the Internet Explorer you have to write the HTTPS and the IP address of the PLC. So you can see here I have already written HTTPS and 192.168.2.10. okay, that's it, and you have to enter it. So it will ask that this site is not secure, and yes, I know that there is no any issue with to going with not certificate, not certified website. If you want to remove this, you can install the certificate and you can download from the PLC itself. So I will go here and it will open this you can say controller, and here you can download the certificate. If you want to remove this certificate error, you can save it. Okay, and you can see my certificate is saved. Here the certificate error is removed, and you can install the certificate. Okay, so let's go with enter. Now when you go enter, here you can see the basic we can say options, basic all the options you can see here. And if I click here, the LED flashes, my LED is flashing here. Okay, and what is my project name, my station name, all these names I can find it here. Now here I will define my username and password. Okay, and let's say login. Now you can see before login there are only few options was here, but after login I can see many of these options. I can find the diagnostic buffer. Okay, you can see all the diagnostic buffer. This is the same buffer that we find into the uh, what we can say into the TIA portal. Okay, you can do online backups also from here. Okay, you can make the diagnostic open here. Okay, memory. Okay, what is the memory? Load memory, work memory, retentive memory, then program protection. And now why I am making this video, because we are going to understand the here sorry we are going to understand about the recipe import export and data log creation. So you have to go here into the file browser, and in the file browser these two options, data logs and recipe, we will understand. Okay, in detail. So how we can create this file, how we can create the data logs file, we will understand in this tutorial. And so many more things you can do in with the use of the web server. So for more detail and how we can implement this all instruction, you have to subscribe this course, and you will definitely enjoy the learning. Thanks for watching this tutorial.